Vittu. Saatana vittu.
Look, Fate.
What about my face? Have problem?
Ah.
I'm from Finland. Take it out. Hi, I am Sami and I want to be Overlander. But first I revealed my ego. Do you have some box where you do roof?
Yeah, I can find. I have. Ah. Okay.
Already?
Yeah. Not. อุ๊ยตายโอ้ยโอ้ย Go that side with that. Or go here. Tuotte. Vähän.
Noni, now you cannot come to sleep here anymore.
Need we go with Bro นั่นแหละ
No.
นั่นไปดูวิดดูชูบ
Have to find this where they located the non-wiki already because they are like that. Now it's all I don't know.
Joo.
Yeah, down the line now we can try to take it out from here. Okay, now we are going to paint this roof for our camper van, and we are going to paint this with the car color. And I removed the Rainbow logos here because they don't want to help us anything to get these parts. It's very hard to get them in Finland, so we removed the logo here. Here we have color. We made this color from Opel and standard fleet color. Let's see, is it matching? Because we changed the formula from another to another, and we make this satin matte, so I don't want it glossy. Okay, that's it.
Okay, final layer. I think that's it. It's going to be almost matte, but not 100% matte. Okay, that's it.
huono tää narusysteemi. I have a look what happened. Got this one. Nothing broken anything here. So I have to go take out one bolt there, and then this one I have to go under car, take out one bolt. Now it's already. I'm scared for my head being on the car here. I think I'm not sure how they can go out from back there. No.
Yeah, they cut this one. I can see very well.
Tama.
Yeah.
I think I take out already this.
They like not want to turn out from there, man.
Ai vittu. Saatana vittu. Pakoputki. Joo, ei oo jumissa sen. I think now it's off. It's hanging here. Now we have to try to put it down without damaging anything. Ui. Tämä näin. I cannot take this down. This metal one took a put here. I cannot do down. Already almost window broken. Because this is the problem here. I cannot control it. Now I have to do wood here and
Yeah.
not turn so much. I have to now this wood go out here. We have to take out this lift here. Noin. No, I do careful, but I can do only little bit.
Because this like a one. Oh. Another.
But oh,
Because this one is.
I told you so.
Inside like that.
I told you so. I told you so. That
Yeah.
I'm scared. But what can I do? I cannot. I don't have choice.
Maybe not animal. I think so.
Okay.
No, you think fine now? Yeah. Oh. There.
No. Okay. But they go past. I think they go past.
Are you sure? Yeah.
I have to take up enough. No. Now we pull out the engine.
Go. Pretty dirty. You can clean with water everywhere.
Yo,
Uh-huh.
we have to take this gearbox for repair. This one, gearbox, but not engine.
Not all. Only this one.
Yo,
Oh.
we're going to take all this today.
Look, Faith.
What about my face? Have problem?
After this you don't young this you can see a lot. Do them down the floor. You can clean. Yeah, like that. They don't turn anymore.
Now here I have,
Everything easy, but don't want to do.
now I have one thing. I'm not sure how this bolt can help.
Good na. Do under there. That's fine, Havana.
No, this is not that. Okay, Anna, pull.
That side also happen, no?
What side?
I think this way. And she cook it this way.
But this.
You have to take also
this
with that.
another box.
Do current. No.
So we have to clean this.
Take that down little bit from there.
Cut off.
Yeah.
If who take out this bolt, if I have to
No,
climb
do
it.
like it. Take it out now. Up, take it out. Flip only that plate inside there. I say do this. This
Not
way.
say, but you can have something block this one.
They don't straight.
I don't know what's happening. Take this out here. Oh yeah.
I do them straight now. If you don't want them kaput.
Hyvä. Take out this one here. No. Hyvä.
If talk anything with you, you don't understand.
I don't understand anything.
Because if you look there, have only one hand after they go down this way.
Kyllä.
If I say turn this out.
No, I don't turn. I start to clean that now.
Okay, selvä.
Thank you for watching and see you in next episode.